Hey everyone, Effie here. Today I'm going to introduce our new layering Dahlia and Coverplate dies. This is being released in our July 2020 die release. We have 9 new dies, so be sure to head over to the blog to check out all of the new products. We have some really nice bundles available too. So I'm going to start off by taping down the lovely Dahlia layering dies onto colored cardstock. If you don't have different shades of colored cardstock, just die cut it from white cardstock and just blend some ink onto the paper or cardstock using some makeup brushes or blending foams. So for all of the layers that make up the body of the flower and the leaves, I like to call them body layers. And then that top outline layer will be that actual outline layer. So for the outline layers, I like to die cut them out of white cardstock, and I'm also going to die cut the Lone Dahlia cover plate die from white cardstock as well. For the leaves, you have two dies, but they're actually cluster dies. So you have two dies, but it's going to cut out two pieces each. So you have two more solid layers and then two more detail shading body layers. And you're going to layer the 4 leaf die cuts to create 2 clustered leaves. Once I ran all the pieces through my die cutting machine, I'm going to start adhering everything together. We're going to start assembling, and I like to use Thermoweb's liquid ultra bond adhesive, and I use the bottle with that metal tip, which is a huge lifesaver when you're working with some more intricate pieces. I went ahead and die cut the cover plate die. I'm going to set this aside, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like. The Dahlia has 3 body layers, and you can identify this curved leaf at the bottom, and I like to use that as kind of an anchor to figure out how to layer these Dahlia layers. So I'm just going to identify that little curved leaf. If you get tired of gluing, you don't have to put adhesive over the entire backside. Just go for the edges or tips and you'll be fine. Next, I adhere that yellow center bit into the center of the dahlia. Next, I'm going to assemble the 4 pieces of my foliage bits, and they're very easy to line up. Once I have everything assembled, I'm going to adhere these 2 leaf bits and the floral bits. I'm going to adhere these behind the outline die cut, which I die cut from white cardstock. What you see on the screen here is what you get with the lovely Dahlia layering dies. The cover plate die is a coordinating cover plate die, but it can be purchased separately or as a bundle. So be sure to head over to the blog to check out all of the details of our July 2020 die release and all of the bundle information that's available. So here I just additionally die cut the different layering pieces, assembled them, but instead of using that outline die that you saw earlier, I'm going to adhere these 3 already layered pieces behind the cover plate dies. The Dahlia is a little bit larger, so if you're going to use it behind the cover plate die, you do have to trim off some of the tips of the petals, but that can easily be done with your craft scissors. And you might have to do the same thing with the leaves, but it's quite easy to layer. It's a really great bundle. Be sure to head over to our blog to check out the rest of the release. I hope you guys are enjoying and liking what you're seeing so far. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel also, because I update it weekly. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.